Hey guys, how's it going? So a bit of an update in the RX7. That battery in the last video that we installed, the Bosch one, it's decided to fail. It's barely even opening the doors, the engine won't crank. So I've picked up a replacement battery. We'll put this in the car, get the car up and running. I think I'll take the car off for a nice long drive. It's only been driven once this year, so I think it's about time it's had its second run out. Get some nice photographs, just some nice videos, and yeah, so let's get to it. So here we go guys, second start of 2020. Don't know if this is gonna... Okay, there we go. Clutch in. Okay, so about to take the RX7 out, I'm going to get some fresh fuel in the car. I just thought I'd show you guys what I actually premix my car with. So I use 15 millilitres of 2-stroke oil to every gallon of fuel. I tend to put 4 gallons in the car at any one time. I don't fill the tank up because it'll probably take me, well, it could take me the best part of a year to use up a full tank of fuel, to be honest, but I rather put small amounts of fuel in more regularly rather than a large amount of fuel that could potentially go bad. So a Red X bottle, this is basically a ghetto premix bottle. So this is about 60 ml of well, actually this is actually Red X in the bottle, but what I normally do is just fill up 60 ml, which is about here, in this bottle. I'll put a bit of fuel, give it a little shake, leave the cap off for a while, and then put the cap on, go to the fuel station, put 4 gallons of fuel in, and then pour this in. It's a big ghetto, but it does work. But that is actually Red X, what I've got in a minute, because I've just purchased some Red X's to flush through the line. So that's Red X. I'm going to put some 2-stroke mix in up to this line here, which would be roughly about 130-ish millilitres of fluid combined. Give it a shake up, and I'll go and put 4 gallons in the car and pour this in afterwards, and then we should be good to go. So that's the premix. It's all ready to go. It doesn't have to be perfect. I've went over a little bit. It's not the end of the world. This, to me, I did some research online. A lot of people were saying 20 mil, some were saying 10 mil. I kind of just took what a lot of people were doing and kind of met in the middle. So it's not an exact science. It doesn't have to be perfect. But I must admit, it is a little strange putting oil into fuel in a car. It's the first time for myself, but it's good for the engine, and it guarantees you getting lubrication. So what I'll do is I'll go and put 4 gallons in at the fuel station, pour this in, and then the engine should be okay to go, and it should be well protected.